At TrueMagnumWay, we believe the market is not short on information. There is always another chart, another signal, another headline, another number asking for attention. The problem is not finding information. The problem is knowing where to put it. That is why we think of smarter trading like a library. Not a loud room full of random pages, but a place where knowledge has structure. Every decision needs a shelf. A strong decision needs a shelf. One shelf for theory. One for analysis. One for learning. One for practice. When everything is scattered, even useful insight can feel heavy. But when the pieces are organized, the next step becomes easier to see. TrueMagnumWay helps users sort the market into clearer signals, practical insights, and tools that support more confident decisions. From theory to practice, we built TrueMagnumWay for different stages of the journey. Some users are learning the foundation. Some are comparing opportunities. Some want advanced tools, higher limits, or dedicated support. With 1M+ actions processed, 30+ access methods, and 2,500+ options available, there is room to explore. But the real value is not just having more pages in the library. It is knowing how to read them. No two users study the market in the same way. That is why TrueMagnumWay supports custom workflows, adaptable settings, fast performance, and clear analytics designed to highlight meaningful movement. A good platform should not force everyone into the same reading chair. It should help users build a system that fits how they think, decide, and grow. Confidence starts with organization. At TrueMagnumWay, we believe confidence is not a mood. It is built through order. Theory becomes understanding. Analysis becomes direction. Learning becomes habit. Practice becomes progress. Welcome to the Decision Library. This is TrueMagnumWay.